Well, I've got a new drain that's blocked. It needs to be sorted out. You can see there's some floating pieces in there. Now I started out here in this garden, out here in the garden. I went to this one first. And this one doesn't appear to be having any problem. I want to get some of that dirt out that's on the side there. So this one I just used a piece of rope, stuck some rope through those hoops and pulled it up. The other one I just had to Mickey Mouse it around with a pair of pliers. So I've got a new set of Rothenberger drain poles. Now, one thing about these, if you buy the cheap ones, they're not very stiff. Now, this wasn't the exact set I wanted, but I'm quite happy with Rothenberger. I don't think it's going to get any better than that. I usually just use this double twist thing. I'll get that out of the bag here and we'll start seeing if we can figure out what's going on with this drain. Okay, that's one toilet running freely now. There should be another one coming out here in a second. The box was totally full. There it comes. Should be quite a bit of stuff coming out of there. Oh. Well, it's the same side. Okay, it comes with, the rod set comes with 10, well, they called it 3 foot pieces. And I didn't think I'd have enough to make it all the way up to that end there. So I was just about ready to go get another set. And I just kept working at it a little bit, just back and forth. And then, okay, this is why wet wipes are bad to put in your drain. You can see one right there, and that's right where a joint is. And there's a little obstruction there. And the wet wipe just catches on that obstruction. And since it doesn't biodegrade, break down, it stays there, and like it causes an obstruction. You see it there? The stuff builds up behind it, and pretty soon, you've got a blocked drain. So, not a good idea to put wet wipes in your toilet, unless you want to pay the plumbing bill eventually. I don't know what that's sticking on. It looks like maybe roots or something are growing there. So what I'll do now is I'll just keep moving. Okay, that's it. More or less job done now. Tidy up the mess. I cleaned out around the rim so that the mud and stuff won't make it sticky, but this one shouldn't be any problem. And then down here, I had to cut some of the grass around the lid. And I reamed it until there wasn't any more crappy mud coming out or anything like that. And that's the job, basically. I don't know what time it is. I started about quarter to 2. So it's probably about an hour. There we go.